Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're talking about another common question that our customers often ask us about our microwaves. And this video is all about the question, can I integrate my Panasonic microwave? Well, firstly, what do we mean when we say the word integrate? Well, essentially, does it mean that I can build in my microwave to my kitchen cabinets? And the short answer is, it depends. We have a whole host of different models of microwaves here at Panasonic, and some models are suitable for kitchen integration and for building in, and some aren't. Like this model next to me, the NNCD58, along with the other new slimline air fry models, they're not suitable for building into kitchens for that integration. However, our other models such as the CD88 is suitable for being built in. The good news is you can find the information out in all our operating instructions. So every operating instruction for our microwaves has this information included. So if you've got the digital operating instructions in front of you, if you search for words like built-in, integration, building in, trim kit into the search bar for your operating instructions, you should be able to find the information immediately, and it will tell you whether your model is suitable for integration or not. On top of that, if your microwave is suitable for integration, it will also give you a dedicated Panasonic trim kit model number. You will need to use that dedicated trim kit in order to install your microwave into the cabinet or space that you want it to go in. It's really important that you use the Panasonic dedicated trim kit for that, so that you know the spacing around the microwave is going to be correct and it's built for the product itself. It's really important, but you can find that in the operating instructions. So I hope that helped. Hope you found this useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.